EzyCooler promises to make hot summer days much more comfortable with a compact and portable cooling device. But does it actually work? Or is it just another product with big promises? Here's everything you should know before spending your money. The EzyCooler Portable AC is designed for people who want personal cooling without installing a traditional air conditioner. It's small, lightweight, and easy to move from room to room. According to the manufacturer, it works by pulling warm air through a water-soaked filter and blowing out cooler, more refreshing air. Setting it up is simple. Just fill the water tank, plug it into a USB power source, and switch it on. Some versions even include adjustable fan speeds and colourful LED lights, which can make it useful as a bedside or desk companion. But here's the important part. Despite the name, this isn't a true air conditioner. It doesn't use a compressor like a standard AC unit. Instead, it relies on evaporative cooling. That means it works best in dry climates and for cooling the area directly around you, not an entire room. When looking at customer feedback, opinions are mixed. Some buyers say it provides a noticeable cooling effect while working at a desk or relaxing nearby. Others feel the difference is minimal, especially in large rooms or humid environments. That's why expectations matter. If you're expecting the power of a full-sized air conditioner, you'll probably be disappointed. On the positive side, it's portable, energy efficient, and doesn't require complicated installation. It also uses much less electricity than a traditional air conditioner, making it appealing for small personal spaces. However, there are drawbacks. You'll need to refill the water tank regularly, and the cooling performance depends heavily on the surrounding temperature and humidity. It's also not ideal for cooling multiple people or large living areas. So, is the EzyCooler Portable AC legit or a scam? The answer is somewhere in the middle. It's a legitimate personal evaporative cooler, but some advertisements may create unrealistic expectations by comparing it to a real air conditioner.